In this video, we'll discuss the second question of weekly contest 289. It's a medium level question. The question name is minimum rounds to complete all tasks. So we are given an integer array task where task of I represent the difficulty level of a particular task. Now in each round, we can complete either 2 or 3 tasks of the same difficulty. The point here to note is that we can complete only the same difficulty level task in one round, and the count of the task to be completed in each round is either 2 or 3. Now all we need to do is return the minimum rounds required to complete all the tasks, and if we are not able to complete the task, then we return -1. Now let's see the example. So here we have the task array, and we can see here that what we can do in the first round, we can complete 3 tasks of difficulty level 2. We have 3 tasks of 2. One, you can see 1, 2 and 3. So total we have 3 tasks. So we complete all the 3 tasks of difficulty level 2 in the first round. Then we come to the difficulty level 3. So we have 2 tasks of difficulty level 3. So we take 1 round to complete both the tasks of difficulty level 3. Now we come to difficulty level 4. So we have total 5 tasks having difficulty level 4. But it says that we can complete either 2 or 3 tasks in one round. So we can take 1 round to complete 3 of these tasks, and the remaining 2 can be completed in the last round. So total we have taken 4 rounds here to complete the task. So if we look into the second example, then total we have 3 tasks, one having a difficulty level of 2 and other 2 having difficulty level of 3. So if you see here, then since we only have one task having a difficulty level 2, so we can't perform this task, because whenever we need to perform a task, we should either perform 2 or 3 tasks in a round, and we just have one task of difficulty level 2. So that's why we return -1 in this case. The explanation says there's only one task of difficulty level 2, but in each round you can only complete 2 or 3 tasks of same difficulty level, else you cannot complete all the tasks. So the answer comes out to be -1. Now the implementation of this one is pretty easy. All you need to do is take a map to compute the frequency of each difficulty level. So here we have taken a map. We are doing map.put. If the task is present, then increment the count by 1. If it is not present, then put 1 here. So this is the shorthand of doing it, that map.put task, and then if it is not present, so it says map dot get all default. So if task is present in the map, then return its value, and if it is not present, then return a default value as 0. Increment the count by 1, and then update the value in the map. So this is basically to calculate the frequency of each difficulty level. Then we come to this part. We traverse the difficulty. So we pick up a difficulty. We see that how many tasks of that particular difficulty are there. So current difficulty frequency. Now, if the difficulty frequency of any task is 1, that means, as we saw in the above case, the difficulty level of 2, the number of tasks of difficulty level 2 was only 1. So we return -1 in this case. Else we can compute the answer. So the answer will be current difficulty frequency divided by 3, because the maximum number of operations that can be performed, the task can be performed is 3 in each level. But there is a case that if again it's not a multiple of 3, then we increment it by 1. So that can be seen by taking some of the examples. Like if we come here, uh, so we have 5 tasks having difficulty level 4. So if we divide 5, that is the frequency, by 3, that it comes out to be 1. But actually, since that is not a multiple of 3, so we will need one extra round to perform all the tasks. So that's why answer plus plus. However, if it would have been just uh, 3 tasks, then we would have been able to perform all the tasks in just one round. So that's why we increment the count here and we return the answer. That's it for the video. See you again. Bye bye.